good morning and welcome to day 5 of the Big Red Bash 2024. It's a brisk start to the day. It's sunny, the sunshine, we've got a beautiful blue sky, we've got Big Red in the background, the stage. There's a helicopter flying around, obviously doing tourist flights, and people are out and about. The ground is drying, there's a good crust, and we're looking forward to a good day. The music started last night. You can see the video I did, which will launch, I think, in the morning. Yeah, so we had music, it was good, and we're just over here in the vendors area, so we got some really good sound from where we were. We've got a whole bunch of people playing today, so it should be good. Because of YouTube, I can't really show the music side of the event, which for copyright reasons, but I really, on my videos, just want to give you guys the essence of the bash. This is my first bash, I'm loving it, even with the rain, the soggy grey mud, it's good. So I think onwards and upwards, hopefully I'll be back here next year. Definitely good fun. Anyway, on with the video, let's see what we find for today. This is JDRF Australia. There's a fair bit of music in the background, but I'm here at the Big Red Bash. This is a big blue day. This is for research for diabetes, JDRF I think it is. And they raised a heap of money here last year. They're going to attempt a world record today. So you can see in the footage, lots of people dressed up in blue. It's going to be massive. A little bit of music and a bit of noise in the background, but I hope you guys can hear me. It's a sunny start to day 5 at Big Red Bash. Big blue day.
Australia. There are many people who would be familiar with this song, written by the Seekers back in the 60s. A very special song, and I think a fitting song, bringing everyone together into this shape of Australia. So that will happen once we're all together, and we will actually have a new world record. No matter what the numbers we get today, we'll have a new record, which will be the most number of people gathered together in the and I watched the tall ships come for 40,000 years. I've been the first Australian. I came upon the British ship, bound down by a chain. Cleared the land during the last, waited for the rain. I'm a feather.
All the folks are making their way out of the arena now. They've done the big record busting map of Australia, all in blue, for diabetes research. Really good thing. Generator was given away as a prize by one of the vendors here, which is terrific. And onwards and upwards. Looking forward to a big day. They've got lots going on, but this is the Big Blue Day, world record map of Australia in blue. Thanks to everyone involved. This is JDRF 4x4. Thanks, guys.
Australia,